So today I was thinking what I could do for a YouTube video, and I was thinking about my two favourite colours at the moment, brown and green, and I thought I would do like a haul showing all the like brown clothes and green clothes in my wardrobe. I mean, like, look at the amount of brown clothes and green clothes I have in my closet. It's like way too much, so I might as well do a YouTube video about it. Okay, first off I'm going to show all the brown tops I have. So I have, first brown top is this brown vest top from Brandy Melville. I can't remember what it's called, but it's just like a little brown crop top. Then I have this top, which was only £1 on Vinted, and it's just like a oversized t-shirt, a size large, and it has like an animal, like orange pattern on it, and I wear this all the time. Like, I love oversized t-shirts. And then I bought this quite recently, another brown collar top. I don't know what it's called, but it's got a little collar from Brandy Melville again. Brandy Melville is the place to go if you want to buy brown clothes. Like, all my brown stuff is from Brandy Melville. Like this next jumper, this is, I can't remember what it's called, like it begins with an E, I feel like, but it's just a massive brown sweatshirt. Like, it's really big, it's almost like a dress, and it has pockets in it, which is the best. And then the last brown thing I own is this, I remember this name, it's the Agnes sweater. Again, another oversized brown sweatshirt from Brandy Melville. Okay, now I have all of my green stuff, which is currently my again, my favourite colour after brown at the moment. Like this green colour hoodie from Brandy Melville is like my favourite hoodie at the moment. Okay, first of all the green stuff that I own is this green sweater from Brandy Melville, same colour as my hoodie, and I love this so much. I don't wear a bra with it, I just wear it like naked, well, not naked, but I don't wear a bra because it covers everything really well. It's just really comfy. And then I have a green Hawaii t-shirt, like floral pattern, which is great. Then I have long sleeved green top with like a I think it's Jesus or like a saint or something on it, and I'm always so scared to wear this top. I don't know why. I love it, but I'm just always so scared to wear it out. I feel like it doesn't suit me or something. And then I have green Brandy Melville sweater. This is like a very light green, so it's kind of hard to see on camera. It's like a mint green. And then I have this green Girls Rock t-shirt, very cute, has like cute stitching and stuff. My favourite bra is also green, like it's like a sage green, but this is like my favourite bra at the moment, and it's also green, so it just goes to show. Then I also have these matching jogging bottoms, which match this set, like matcha green jogging bottoms. They're the Rosa sweatpants from Brandy Melville, very comfy, very soft. And then I have the last green hoodie I have is another Brandy Melville color hoodie. It's dark green, and this is the oversized version of this, so I'm wearing like a normal fit, but this is more like a dress almost, and it has really big pockets. And then in terms of accessories, I have this lime green bag. Then I don't know if this counts, but I can show you my favourite plant. It's not a real plant, it's a fake plant, but this is my favourite plant at the moment. I also have this plant and like these ones, and then I have like a bunch of other little plants, and I just love the colour green. I'm painting my wall green as well. I also considered painting it brown, which shows how obsessed I get over a colour. But yeah, I think that's the end of the video. If you want to like and subscribe so I can buy more brown and green stuff, I would be more than happy. I'm trying to get some AdSense money, you know what I mean? But yeah, hope you enjoyed the video. Bye.